Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bala from Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So this today is the monthly expiry which happened. Gold and Nifty is down by 8.88 and Bank Nifty is almost 450 points. So today's scenario, we are not able to do the trade in our intraday group, right? Because of the expiry, some companies are allowing to trade on the current month contract. Someone who's not allowing to trade on that. But so we are doing with the next month contract, that is October contract. We have done a trade, so that giving you such a great profit. So simply based on our that option strategy. So where we are yesterday we made some video about Bollinger Band breakout. So how many of them following that Bollinger Band breakout, I don't know. But today also it is giving you such a great profit based on Bollinger Band breakout. So let's see that on hourly time frame. I think I was find out the stock which is Bajaj Auto today at in the first 9:15. So a lot of stocks, Tata Motors, McDowell, UPL and Page Industries. These are the stocks which forms on hourly basis, right? In today's scenario, these are the stocks which forms an hourly Bollinger Band breakout pattern, correct? How many of them followed this one? So let's see Tata Motor. I think Tata Motor slowly recovering from the low, and Tata Motor which forms here, that is a 9:15 candle and it is not breaking that high. Here it is slightly breaking and it will never trigger your stop loss. The entry should be 337.4 and now it is closed 333 and the stop loss for the traders 329. So this is slightly broken about that level, but it is not giving you any entry opportunity. And McDowell, let's see United Spread, and these are all hourly chart. This is also forming a huge, and there is a breakout because of the expiry. Lot of stocks were not trading well today. But even though this was is not triggering stop loss, and also it is a big stop loss for the trade from 864 to 826. So that is also we need to be focused. UPL and Page Industries. Page Industries, I'm not going to take UBL or UPL. So UBL forms here and it is broken and again it is fallen down. Because today this is a expiry day, it is a totally different day because it is expire all the options, that is ATM and OTM option is going to expire worthless on today's scenario. That is the main reason. So most of the stocks are not doing well, and in this scenario we are not doing any, but positionally we have to on the same candlesticks pattern. So let's see yesterday's price, that is what here, lot of stocks which forms PFC, Coal India, that is 28th, not yesterday. These are the yesterday. Jindal Steel, National Aluminium, City Union Bank, Bank Baroda and Tata Power. So these are the stocks which forms a Bollinger Band breakout by yesterday's morning. So based on that we are doing a trade. Let's I show you Tata Power. How it is looks this Tata Power. Yesterday is broken out that level and still it continues the trend and it made a high somewhere around 161. So the breakout level is 146 and now it is trading around 161. So almost 14 points it increased in a day. So where there is a opportunity, we got it around this candle. So there is a entry opportunity on the stock. Once that entry is broken out, so the stock is rallied very big. So this is the power and of this candlesticks pattern, but today's scenario totally different because of the expiry. All the premium, that is ATM and OTM, should expire worthless. Most of the stocks is like a range bound today because um, it should what we say, ignore, that is a time value decay. So options will not work good on the expiry days. Okay, but positional trade, what happened in this scenario? So what we have taken the trade somewhere around this point is around 146 and now it is 158. So what I did, I bought 140 call option yesterday around 18.6, and today I sold around 21.6. That went up to somewhere around 24.35. This is the high it made that option of this is not a September contract, this is October contract 140 call option of October. So that was taken the trade by yesterday, and it is not an intraday trade, it is a positional, because some other parameter also I am going to check whether this is giving you such a great opportunity or not. Okay, so that is also we are doing the analysis what we are going to get it out. And daily chart, where we check that daily chart, what happened in the daily chart. In daily, can you see that there is a doji or doji like candle, and it broken and it is closed above Bollinger Band, and it the ability to move above today's scenario. So that was happening in the stocks that we are make money. So the option which bought around 200 somewhere around 18.6, and we sold around 21.6. So that is about the trade what we have done. I will show you the trade today. This is the trade where we have taken the Tata Power, where we have taken around 18.62 the buying average price, and we sold around 21.6. The gain which is we made around 20,000 per this one lot of this trade. The margin required for the trade is around 1.2 lakhs, because we are buying somewhere in the money options. We are not going to take any out of the money options like that. We always focus in the money options. When that we are focusing in the money options, it required a lot of capital. Because why? Because of we are buying the in the money option to avoid the time value lapse. So in the money options having intrinsic value and time value. So time value is less compared to the intrinsic value. So that option will not affected. It will not affected mostly by the time decay. Oh, but the price fluctuation it will affect 100%. But the time decay it will not affect most compared to ATM and OTM. So that is the reason we are playing with the ITM options, that always giving you such a great result. Where this is the trade we are taken based on the candlesticks pattern. That candlesticks pattern which I teached yesterday. If you are not checking about this candlesticks pattern, so you just go through my previous video and you can learn that strategy. I am providing that one. So here this is the trade where the Tata Power 18.62 and 21.6. That is a 20,000 gain where we made from that trade based on this simple candlesticks pattern on hourly Bollinger Band breakout. Could you able to see that? And yesterday I discussed about this. Based on that I was planning a trade. So that trade was ending with a success. I hope you understand. And Bollinger Band today some stocks which given the, because today's scenario I am not calculating for that. Yesterday Hindalco also reaching 502 today's market. Let's see, Hindalco today it reaches 502. I think I'm checking that, but I was not taking any position. Yesterday it broken that point of 487, and today it made up 504. Again it is coming down. So this candlesticks pattern always works better where if you are doing intraday or positional. Let's see positional basis. This is the hourly chart of that. I think I was seeing some stock today. I think Bajaj Auto, I thought. Tata Motor, McDowell, UPL, Pouch. I think I'm thinking that is happening by daily basis. Let's see what happened on a daily basis or 15 minutes basis. Let's say Bajaj Auto is seen in the morning based on this candlesticks pattern, and maybe a 15 minutes. Tata Motor, Indo Hotel, Kankar, IRCTC, lot of stocks based on 15 minutes time frame. It is taking a lot of attention, and you should be available in the market. So that is what I'm not focusing over 15 minutes because a lot of stocks I need to check it out whether it is breaking the high or it is giving you entry. So finding out all the stocks in a 15 minutes time frame, it is quite difficult. So that's why I'm always following hourly chart. But this strategy it is work any time frame. If you are focusing alone this strategy, you can go for that any time frame. So hourly, I think yesterday I think 29th Dabur. Daily, this is the daily, and things stay same. Okay, let's see Bajaj Auto. I've seen that, yes, maybe hourly. Yeah, hourly it is breaking down 3861. This is the candle where I seen in the morning, and after that it is moving down towards 3811. So this one I was seen, but why it is not showing the back result? Let's check it out on the hourly basis. Bajaj Auto Let's check with a 9. I think this is not here in Bajaj Auto. Let's check. Yeah, see, I was in the 10-15 candle. Yes, Bajaj Auto. I was in the 10-15 candle, the Bajaj Auto, which forms that kind of pattern. And the 10-15 candle should be this 9-15, 10-15. Yeah, once it is broken below the low around 3835, it fallen down to 3811 and closed by 3836. So this candlesticks pattern always help you to make such a great trade opportunity. That is a Bollinger Band breakout. I have already mentioned that and also shared that scanner on my Telegram channel. If you want that, you can make use of it. And that's about this video. I'm going to share my ideas on how I'm doing the trade, so that I was showing here right now. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you liked it, kindly share to your friends. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.